Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. Today we will continue this session further with exercise 7.1, question number 7. So let us see what we have here. Find answers to the following. Write and indicate how you solve them. Children, the question is given to us as is 5 by 9 equal to 4 upon 5. So this is the question asked to us. That means we have to compare the given fractions. But to compare this fraction, children, the denominators are different. That means first what we have to do here? Yes, we have to make the denominators same by taking its LCM. Okay, so when we take the LCM of 9 and 5, children, we will get our LCM as 45. So let us convert both the fraction with the denominator 45. The first one 5 by 9. So what I multiplied to 9 to get 45, children? So you can see I have multiplied 5. So both the numbers, numerator and denominator, 5 upon 5. Multiplying both the numerators, I get 25 upon 45. Okay. Next, the second fraction is 4 by 5. So the denominator is 5. To convert this 5 to 45, children, I need to multiply 9. So numerator and denominator both I have to multiply with the same number 9. So multiplying now the numerators and denominators, 4 into 9 I get 36, 5 into 9 I get 45. So I got the two fractions converted equally, that is 25 by 45 and 36 by 45. Now you can very clearly understand, children, that can you tell me that 25 and 36 are equal? No. That means 5 by 9 is not equal to 4 by 5. So children, you can see here 25 by 45 is not equal to, this is the symbol of not equal to, okay, 36 by 45. So this is the way you have to give solution for this question. Let us see the next one. Is 9 by 16 equal to 5 by 9? As I told you, children, here if we have to show the equality, we have to compare them. So to compare them, the denominators have to be same. In this condition, both the denominators are different. So our next step will be taking its LCM and then converting into equal fractions. So when we take the LCM of 16 and 9, the LCM I am going to get here is 144. Now let us convert 9 by 16 with the denominator 144. So 9 by 16, if I want to convert to 144, I will multiply 9 upon 9. So now multiply the numerator, 9 9s are 81 and 16 9s are 144. Okay, so you can see 16 converted to 144. Similarly, 5 by 9. If I want to convert 5 by 9 to the denominator with 144, that is 9 I have to convert to 44. Okay, so I will multiply 16 upon 16 and if I multiply the numerator, I will get 80 upon 144. This is the fraction. Now let us compare here 81 upon 144 and another we got here is 80 upon 144. Among the two children, which is greater? 81. 80 is smaller. Now can you call it as equal? No. That means these two are not equal. Hence you can say 9 by 16 is not equal to 5 by 9. Now let us read the next question. Ela read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages and Lalita read 2/5 of the same book. Who read less? So we have to answer that who has read less. Now let us go for the total number of pages in the book where 100. Okay. Now let us calculate first for Lalita. Lalita had read 2/5 of the book, that was with the 100 page. Of always, children, we have learned of represents multiplication. So 2 upon 5 into 100. Okay, so 5 ones are 5 20s are. Okay, so you can see 2 into 20 we get here as 40 pages. That means Lalita had read how many pages? 40 pages. Now let us calculate for Ela. That is already given, children, that she had read 25 pages here. Okay, so Lalita read 40 pages, Ela read 25 pages. So who had read less here? You can see very clearly that Ela had read less than Lalita. Okay, so let us go for the next question here. Rafiq exercised for 3/6 of an hour while Rohit exercised for 3/4 of an hour. Who exercised for a longer time? Okay, now children, as according to the question, Rafiq exercised 3/6 of an hour, Rohit exercised for 3/4 of an hour. Now, here you can see, if I want to compare who has exercised more, I need to convert into the equivalent fraction. That means the denominators I have to convert equally. Okay, so let me take the LCM of 6 and 4, which I am going to get here as 12. So let us convert 3 by 6. Okay, 3 by 6. Let me convert with the denominator 12. I will get 6 by 12. Okay, now that is of Rafiq. So Rafiq had read 6 upon 12 of an hour. That means you can also take it as 1 upon 2. That is a half an hour. Okay, now let us see what about Rohit. Rohit had read 3/4 of an hour. Okay, so 3 upon 4, I have to convert with the denominator 12. Multiplying 3 upon 3, I will get 9 by 12. Okay, so children, here 9 by 12 and 6 by 12, we got two different fractions. Now comparing these two, you can clearly see that 9 by 12 is a greater fraction here. That means 9 by 12 is whose, children? It is 3, that is 3 by 4, which was of Rohit here. That means 3 by 4 is greater than 3 by 6. Therefore, the Rohit has exercised for a longer time than Rafiq. Okay. Let us see what we have next. In a class A of 25 students, 20 passed away with 60% or more marks. In another class B of 30 students, 24 passed with 60% or more marks. In which class was the greater fraction of students getting with 60% or more marks? So there is a comparison of here class A and class B. So let us find the solution, children, here. The total number of students in class A is 25 and student passed in first class in class A is 20. So we will get the fraction here, the total 25 in the denominator, and so we get here 20 by 25. If I put this in the simplest form, children, I will get 4 by 5. Now let us see about the class B. In class B, children, we had 30 students, after which students who passed with first class in class B were 24. So the fraction we are going to get here is 24 upon 30, and if I put it in the simplest form, I will get here as 4 by 5. In class A also 4 upon 5 students, that is 4/5 of the student passed. Here also 4/5 of the passed. That means an equal fraction of the students passed in the first class in the both the classes. So with this, children, we end this session. Hope you understood this exercise very well. Practice it well, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.